This video will show you how to create your own multi-mode questions in WebAssign. These can be useful if you want to add, for example, an opportunity for your students to explain their thinking when selecting an answer choice in a multiple choice or true-false question. To begin, click Create and then select Question in the drop-down. Start by giving your question a name. We'll call this one Multimode Question Sample. Now, we want to set the modes for this question so that we produce a true-false question with an essay box. To do so, click Multimode Options, then Multiple Choice and Essay. Click Save to close the window. The question field is where you type what you want to ask your class. Type your statement or question. Then, at the end of the question, type less than sign, underline, greater than sign. This piece of code serves as a placeholder for our true-false radio button options. In the answer field, type the following code: less than sign, EQN, space, $, the word ordered equals 1, semicolon, space, 2 apostrophes, greater than sign, and then true, enter, false. This will set the options for the true-false radio buttons. If the answer to the question we put in the question field is true, the code should read order equals 1. If the question's false, then the code should read ordered equals 2. Because the answer to the question we entered here is false, we'll leave this as ordered equals 2. Now, since there's 2 modes, we need to tell the code that there's a second mode and a second answer blank. To do so, in the question field, we type enter, less than sign, the word section, then greater than sign. We must also do this in the answer field. Now, we will provide an essay box for the students to enter their reasoning. To do so, we'll type enter, and then please explain your answer. Then, we'll put the answer blank code from before. For the answer field, we need to enter the following code. After section, press enter, then type less than, EQN, space, $, rows equals 3, semicolon, space, $, COLS equals 60, semicolon, space, 2 apostrophes, then greater than sign. This will provide an essay box that is 3 rows long and 60 columns wide. These values can be adjusted as necessary. For essay mode, you must provide a sample answer after the essay box code. We'll type an example answer here. If you don't want to provide a specific example answer, you can type answers may vary or just 2 periods as a placeholder. Once you have finished, click Test Preview to see what your question will look like. Select each option to make sure it grades correctly. True should grade incorrect, which it does, and false should grade correct, which it does. You can also type in an example answer in the Explain Your Answer field. Note that the essay box will be marked correctly regardless of what is typed in there. It doesn't have to exactly match the example answer in the code to be correct. If you are satisfied with your multimode question, close the preview window and click Save.